Well, this is the sort of pack or kit that I took with me in my first sort of expedition, and really I took more than I needed, and there were reasons for that. I took it more stuff than I needed, filled my bag because I wanted to test my own endurance abilities, stamina and fitness. The, being someone who hasn't done anything like this in a long time. So I'll just have a look around the kit. Here you'll see maps. Have a map case with some maps that I bought. This one here that's lying at the side, I actually bought that in North Berwick while I was there, so I brought that back with me. On the other side, you'll see my mini version of the SAS survival guide. I didn't need that really, I think, for a day trip to North Berwick. But one interesting thing is this little piece of kit here. This is a great thing. You pick this up for less than £20, and what this does is it's a solar battery charger, and this will charge your phone on the move. Great thing, worked well out there for me. It's waterproof and claims to be shockproof as well. Obviously my medical kit, and I did take personal medicines and headache tablets with me as well, and that, and at the back some insect repellent, didn't need that. Going round the back there, that's the tent, and that bag back there, and there we have survival food. I bought this as backup, and obviously I'll keep a watch on it. I won't really eat this and use it for emergencies. I'll start to eat it, as I said, looking at each individual item and when the sort of due date comes up for that, then it will disappear out the pack. But it's handy to have. It's got isotonic drink in it. I don't know if you can see that somewhere. That's it in there. It's got bars and different things, and that's actually a pack of fruit and nougat and sweets. Keeps you going, and if you're ever stuck, there's probably about 1500 calories in there to keep you going. My gloves, and obviously the plug for my phone, camping mallet, inexpensive item. Don't think I need to explain that much. So there's a bog standard toilet roll. Monocular, flashlight, battery operated flashlight, and a compass, which I didn't need on the day. I had that with me as well. You can see the table's actually covered with my poncho. Another very inexpensive item, and works really well. I think that was less than £10. My rucksack, 120 litre rucksack there, and my jacket. It's a US Army replica, a very good one, fleece lining and very sturdy jacket. So basically that's the kit. and we might look at individual items later, and obviously I'm still developing my resources. So bye for now.